United States of America and the Constitution of the State of Georgia, that you will faithfully perform all duties of your office and obey the lawful orders of those in supervision over you, that you will abide by the tenets of the Monroe Police Department's standard operating procedures and all rules, orders, and regulations therein, that you will bear true witness and not falsely swear in the execution of your duties, that you will faithfully enforce the laws of the State of Georgia and the ordinances of the City of Monroe. And do you further solemnly swear or affirm that you are not the holder of any unaccounted for public money due this state or any political subdivision or authority thereof, that you are not the holder of any office of trust under the government of the United States, any other state, or any foreign state, which by the laws of the State of Georgia you are prohibited from holding, and that you are otherwise qualified to be a police officer according to the Constitution and the laws of Georgia. And do you further swear or affirm that as Chief of Police you will faithfully serve and protect to the best of your ability all citizens? And do you accept the Law Enforcement Code of Ethics of the International Association of Chiefs of Police as your standard of conduct while on and off duty, and swear to faithfully abide by and defend the same? If all of that is true, you may say, I shall.
I shall. I can't individually thank everybody in here by name. It would take the rest of the night to do so, but I appreciate everybody that's in here. Each one of you has shown me so much love and support over the years, and for that I'm eternally grateful. I should have started out with this. I first want to thank the good Lord above for always being there for me, always protecting me, always providing for me, and leading the path in the direction that I've been going. In my office, I always leave my Bible open to Proverbs 3, 5, and 6, which says, trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not on your own understanding. And all thy ways acknowledge him, and he'll direct your path. And he has done just that. I definitely want to thank my wife, who is here with me tonight, and my family. My wife has been with me when I didn't have a dime to my name. And I know she would still be with me if I still didn't have a dime to my name. She's always been there and shown me love and encouragement and support. And, you know, that saying that behind every good man is a great woman. And then I've heard it said before that they're not behind, they're beside, and that is so true. Mine's always stood beside me. And this isn't just my moment, it's my wife's moment, my family's moment. And if you'd come up here with me, babe, I'd appreciate it. She pinned the first badge when I graduated the police academy, and my wife pinned my first badge on my chest. And I thought about this coming over here, sharing a story, and I don't know that I can share it without getting emotional. Chief's had me share it a couple of times in the past. It's hard for me to share it, but just going back to when I said I didn't have anything. So my background was, you know, I did time in the United States Marine Corps. I was a machine gunner. I served with 3rd Battalion, 6th Marines from 92 to 96. And when I got out, I didn't have a job or anything lined up. And about the only thing that would give you any kind of opportunity as a law enforcement, I mean, as a career, was law enforcement. Because, I mean, who else is going to hire a machine gunner, you know? I mean, what's your skill set? I can take apart the M60, Echo 3 machine gun, put it back together in three minutes, you know. So anyway, I applied for the Greene County Sheriff's Office, and I got a job down there. I didn't have. I was staying at home at the time. Actually, I wasn't even living at home. I don't think then. I was living with my brother, who was living in a trailer. I got hired on as a jailer, and Kelly, a lot smarter than me, she was going to Georgia Tech on a full scholarship. Anyway, they told me when I got hired on that what I needed to do was buy a pair of khaki pants and a green polo top. And I didn't have the money really to do that. I think we put our money together and bought a pair of khaki pants and a green polo top from Kmart. And the next day I was starting my job. I didn't have a dime. And I was on the strip, I didn't have a dime in my neck. And the night before, Kelly had ironed out my pants and got me ready for work. And the next morning I got up and went in there to put my clothes on. And on my pants was laying a dollar bill. And that dollar bill said, "I love you." And she told me, she said, "Look, I know it ain't much, but it's enough for you to get you a pack of crackers and a Coca-Cola." That meant so much to me back then that to this day, that's been 21, 22 years ago, I still carry that dollar bill. And so, for that, I eternally love this woman here more than anything. She means everything to me, and I'm just grateful that, you know, I've been able to make it to where I am today, and I wouldn't be here without her and without all you guys here being supportive of me and the good Lord above. So thank y'all so much. This is a very special